Metamorphose a change consulting channel where you can find latest insights on change management practice and application to guide you on your change journey. Subscribe and like us to keep you updated. Hi guys! Today we will continue our Fundamental of Organizational Change series and discuss about course of action. This is where the rubber meets the road, so to speak, and because it is a complex pillar, we only focus on the preparation step in this video. A quick recap of what we have discussed so far. Let's take a look at our current change framework. We have discussed about leadership, culture, and competencies, and course of actions is the third pillar of change management. If we break down this pillar to its components, we can illustrate it as the following diagram. At the base of the pillar is the preparation step. On top of it, there are three iterative components of activities that continuously run and push the activities forward. They are plan, implement, and monitor or review. In short, we can call them PIM cycle. Today, let's just focus on the preparation base. To prepare for the implementation, first thing we need to do is to verbalize our vision and make it into a vision statement. This consists of statements about what is happening, why we need to change, and what is the desired outcomes are. Supporting explanation using common change management tools such as 3D statement. This is used to describe the reason of change by using data, demonstrations, or demand, and PMB chart to describe the actual desired result in the form of actions and behavior change is also highly advisable. Then we need to state the scope of the change, where, who, and how it will be driven. A good documentation tool for this purpose is the SIPOC matrix, which is a well-known effective project scoping tool, and GRPI matrix, which defines clearly the objectives, the teams, and how they interact. We will summarize and formalize these statements into the project charter. They are just two elements of a more comprehensive charter, and we will discuss about this in other sessions, so stay tuned for more. The final aspect of preparation that we need to do is about preparing to mobilize the organization for commitment. We do this by first understanding the current landscape of the organization. We do this through TPC analysis and stakeholder analysis, which will identify potential hard spots and existing support in the organization. By having this, we can design proper communication plan for each of these areas. It is important to understand that there is no one cookie-cutter plan when it comes to how to mobilize commitment. So this communication plan really depends on how the TPC analysis and stakeholder analysis look like. So that concludes the preparation step in our course of action. This is a list of questions that we can use to ensure our preparation is complete. Do you know what your real objective is? Why are you solving these problems? Do you have a consensus on all key stakeholders on the purpose of this change? Are you looking at the entire inputs and processes that generate the problem to make sure that we are not missing any of the scope? Can you describe the current situations related to the problem in one paragraph or less than 5 minutes? Also, are there any common beliefs, policies, KPIs that dictate the behavior of the processes? How do these impact the change plan? Do these beliefs and so forth support or hinder the change plan? This is very important to know. Next, we need to know if there are any conflicting priorities that need to be looked at. Also, Have you communicated and updated the situation to key stakeholders and get the appropriate level of buy-ins? And finally, have we identified action plans to address any issues we found and strengthen any supports that we have? Thank you very much for listening. Stay tuned for next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like us. See ya!